much out there before. Just kids smoking pot and thinking they're hardcore. I was one of them and life wasn't much fun. Just wrote shitty poetry and wished I had a gun. Shoot the blast, forget it fast and blow my fucking brains out. Till I die and I'd be happy that something would last. Forget the past, get it out of the way for me. How nice would that be? Uncensored for the rest of my life. Disease spread, no outlet for my hatred. Thought punk was a solution. Too bad it's fucking dead. You fucking rats hate every single one of you. But what is there to do if I hide myself too? How nice would that be? Uncensored for the rest of my life.